Hi, are you completely burnt out? Do you feel you're just done and you can't go on anymore? I have a tapping sequence just for you to make you feel a little rested and to create a bit of space in your life. Welcome to Nurture Our Nature. I'm Hilke. I'm a holistic counselor and wellness coach. And I see a lot of women with burnout in my practice. Um, Many highly sensitive women wanting to do everything for everyone, many carers looking after everyone else, and many people in caring professions as well, teachers. And if you're having a lot of responsibilities and are sensitive to the needs of others, you might be feeling the pressure more. And very often, the burnout can reach a stage where you are just done. You just know you cannot go on anymore. And for just this situation, I have a tapping sequence for you. Obviously, if you really are in burnout, I do encourage you to get some professional help. You cannot keep on carrying this on your own. So, let people in your life know and get some help, get some space for yourself. But for now, let's tap. So, as always, we start by acknowledging the feeling. Just sit there or lie there. And I invite you to be present with the emotion of being done, with the feeling that you cannot carry on like this any longer. And focusing on this will not make it worse. We are just acknowledging reality. We're acknowledging how you're feeling right now. And then we will bring this emotion down with tapping. So feel where you're feeling the exhaustion in your body. Probably all over, but maybe you're feeling the burnout, the feeling of being done. Just where are you feeling it most? Even if you're feeling it everywhere, concentrate on where you're feeling it most. And then give that feeling a shape. Be curious about it. If it had a color, if it had a temperature, a texture, a weight, what would it be? And if it had something to say to you, if the burnout itself was saying something, maybe it has a message. Really listen. And when you're really feeling and ready, present with this emotion, then check out of 10. 10, what do you mean? Burnout? No way. That's 0. Yeah, 0 is no burnout. You're feeling fantastic. You probably wouldn't be watching this. Or 10 as in, I can't even think anymore. Like it could not be worse. Just check with yourself and find a number. Do this intuitively. There's no right or wrong. This is your number. And then taking a deep breath, starting as always with a setup statement at the side of your hand, karate chop point, focusing in specifically on your emotion of burnout. Even though I feel so tired, I accept that this is where I am. Even though I feel done and burnt out, I accept that this is my situation and I love myself. Even though I feel burnt out and done, maybe I can get myself a little rest right now. top of the head, this burnout, inner eyebrow, feeling so stressed and tired, outer eye, this feeling of being burnt out, under the eye, this stressed feeling of being done, under the nose, I don't even know if I can continue anymore, under the mouth, I am feeling so burnt out, under the clavicle in the little groove, I am so tired, under the arm, I feel I cannot carry on anymore. Deep breath, staying with this feeling, second round. I feel so burnt out. I feel so tired in my body. I feel broken in my brain. How can I carry on? I cannot do this anymore. I'm feeling so burnt out. This feeling of constant stress. This feeling of having no energy left and no way out. This feeling of burnout. This feeling of being exhausted. This feeling of not being able to carry on with all the demands. Feeling so burnt out. Feeling so stressed. This stressed feeling. This stressed, exhausted, burnt out feeling. This feeling of burnout. Deep breath. And feel inside. Has anything changed? Has the intensity changed? Has the location, the color, the temperature changed? The weight of it, the surface, whatever you felt, what has changed? Our emotions, our feelings change all the time, whether we tap or not, but especially with tapping. Feel the change and feel the number. Are you at the same number? Has it gone down? If it's gone down, you have two options. Do this again, like do exactly the same sequence again, or carry on the next round with me. If it hasn't gone down, if nothing has shifted, then I invite you to really focus on this feeling. Be very, very specific with it and feel it in your body while you're tapping. So if the feeling's going down now, the feeling of burnout and exhaustion, then tap along. I'm still feeling so exhausted and burnt out. This feeling of exhaustion. And even though it's still there, I'm still feeling burnt out and I'm still feeling exhausted. I feel like there's a chink of light now. I feel as if I might be able to take a rest. This feeling of exhaustion is waning. Of course, I'm still feeling burnt out. And I'm still feeling exhausted. But maybe I'm also feeling a readiness for rest now. Maybe I can find a way of giving my body and my mind a moment of rest. Maybe there is a way forward. And even though I'm still feeling really burnt out, I can feel this feeling draining now out of my body. And it is getting less, this feeling of burnout and stress. And maybe there's the possibility of something else, of something new. Maybe by acknowledging this feeling, I can also find a moment of rest, a little solution, a way forward, a way to feel better. Deep breath in and out. How are you doing now? How's the feeling changed? And what number are you at? Is the number going down? If it is going down, carry on. Carry on until you're at a 2 or below. The rest will just drain out. Or at least carry on until you're at a point where you can give yourself some rest. Give yourself at least 20 minutes. And let me know how you go. You can carry on with the tapping for as long as you want. You can tap for hours if it feels good and feels right. You can get to some real breakthroughs that way. For the really heavy stuff, I do recommend you find an EFT practitioner. If you would like to work with me personally, I'm linking below to my booking platform where you can either book a free 15-minute sorry, I'm so relaxed myself now. A free 15-minute chat with me to ask me questions, to get a sense of where you might go, or just book a session directly. And I wish you a really restful day where you can focus on yourself. Take care.